Now we're nice and cozy under here, and it's clean. And we're ready to start removing the gas tank. Hey guys, so I'm Erin, and we're gonna save a lot of money fixing the gas tank. But first of all, you wanna be comfortable. So I really love these coveralls. I actually got them from the wardrobe sale for Hunger Games. I like that they cover my arms and my body, my whole body, and it can go over my clothes. So when they get dirty, I take them off. Although I am actually not wearing pants because it's kind of warm out today. Just get dirty and take them off. So since you're gonna be saving so much money, go ahead and get some car ramps. For safety, there's the tire under there. Jack up your car as high as you can, and that will be the first step to being comfortable. Have something nice on the ground. Get yourself some towels. You're gonna want some kind of pillow for some of these tasks. All right. Okay. So, in case a screw or something is stuck, I like to have some WD-40. I've got some gloves. Got like the normal kind, but then also these plastic ones. Anyway, my ratchet, a 10mm, like a deep socket, a pry tool, a 10mm shallow socket, and a 14, my extender, a little collection of picking tools, and a work light. And a flathead screwdriver. I also really like having a headlamp, but I'm not gonna put it on right now. It seems light enough. Okay, so we're gonna start with the 10mm. Grab on the bar and like help myself move, but I think you should be careful about that because you don't know. You just want to be careful that the car is gonna stay stable on the jacks. It'd be horrible for the car to fall on you. Your first step is to just clean everything under here because it's dirty and no one wants to be in a very dirty environment when they're trying to focus on accomplishing a task. So scrub away. Look how dirty that was. so good. There's no shame in wanting to have a clean environment when you want to get something done. And your car could thank you if it could. This feels great. My little Rocksteady. There's just a happy little dog right now, getting her belly rubbed.